Okay, let's start the class. Okay. So good morning guys, welcome to NEET World. So in this session we are going to concentrate on the topic kinematics. So in last class we were discussing about a few topics in kinematics, right? That is straight line we were discussing, that is one dimensional motion right now. So the continuation of that we will discuss in this class, and we'll see some more questions on this, and we'll continue with the plane also in the upcoming session also. Okay. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Students are joining here. So yeah, we'll wait. Yeah, let's start the class. We'll start the class. Okay. So guys, in last class we were discussing about the thing is, yeah, I'll write the topic name here. So what is this? Motion in a straight line. So this was the topic. So under this topic we were discussing the things like displacement, distance, velocity, speed, acceleration, right? And then we were discussing about the instantaneous acceleration, instantaneous velocity, right? So after this topic we came to the topic that is kinematic equations. Right, kinematic equation. So what are the things we were discussed about kinematic equations? Like we discussed about the equations, right? Like the thing three equations. V is equals to u plus at, v square minus u square is equals to 2as, and then s is equals to ut plus of a t square. And one more equation, that is Sn will be equals to u plus 1 by 2a into 2n minus 1, right. So at t seconds what is the displacement happened, right? At t seconds what was the displacement happened. So this was the equation we were learned, and then we went to the topic called the vertical, object traveling in a vertical motion, right now. So free falling body, and I am throwing the object in a vertical path. So what was the time taken to reach the object from the ground level to the top level, like maximum height, and then what was the time it will take from maximum height to the ground level right now. So this one we have discussed. So we discussed that free falling body will have initial velocity as 0. At ground level, it will hit with some velocity, that is v. I need to find that velocity. We have got that equation. Now, how much height it has been travelled also we got. Okay, height. Okay, and then if height has been given, how much time it has been taken to reach the ground level also we got. Right now, this also we got. Now, the same thing in the reverse manner. Now, from the ground level, I am taking a object and throwing with some velocity. So, this is u. So, u will not be equals to 0, right. After reaching certain height, no, I am considering that height as maximum height, h max. So, the velocity will become 0 at some particular point. No, if you are throwing the object towards up, right now towards the cloud, it will go with some velocity. After reaching that certain point, now again it will come back down, right. So, in this case, gravity, like towards the gravity only, like g will be equals to a, I mean a will be equals to g. Here g will be equals to minus a, or minus a will be, so a will be equals to minus g. I am throwing against the gravity, right. This was the thing we discussed. Fine. Now, can we see some questions in this? Yes, like some EAPCET questions, so we will see, so that you will have some idea how the questions will be framed in the EAPCET examinations, right na? Okay. So, the first question, let me read that question, okay. So, the velocity of a bullet, okay, the velocity of a bullet is reduced from 200 meter per second to 100 meter per second. So, suppose what they are saying is a bullet has been given, okay, a bullet has been given, it is going with some velocity, that is initial velocity 200 meter per second. So, can I say that is u, and it has been reduced to 100 meter per second, that is velocity v. Then what was the question? While traveling through a wooden block, so there is a wooden block. So, after traveling, no, like the velocity has been reduced to 100 meter per second. Now, the thickness they have given, the thickness is 10 centimeter they have given, okay, 10 centimeter, like how much thickness it has been given. So, S is equals to 10 centimeter. Then what else is given is the retardation, assuming it to be uniform. So, what is the retardation happened here? See, whenever I am considering the things here, whenever I am considering the things, I should consider everything in same units first of all, right now. So, 200 meter per second, 100 meter per second, and this is 10 centimeter they have given. Let me write the given terms first. So, given terms are u is equals to 200 meter per second, v is equals to 100 meter per second, s is equals to 10 centimeter. I will give some tips here to convert the units easily, okay. Write kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 3 gaps are there. So, from this to this, kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter, right now. So, from here if I want to convert 10 power 3, again meter to centimeter it is 10 power 2, again centimeter to millimeter it is 10 power 1, okay. So, it is power plus only, okay, but when I am coming from this side to this side, no, it is 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, and this is 10 power minus 3. Now, what is the thing I need to go centimeter to meter, no, centimeter to meter. So, which is nothing but 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So, this you can remember, okay. So, whenever if we want to convert the units, you remember this values, so that it will be easy to convert the units, okay. Now, what is the thing? So, 10 divided by 100, which is nothing but 0, 0 cancel, 0.1 meter. So, what is the thing I need to find? Retardation. What is the meaning of retardation? It is a negative acceleration. The acceleration has been reducing, right. Acceleration means I am increasing the speed, or increasing the velocity, I can say. Retardation means I am decreasing, because here also if we notice 200 to 100 it has been came. So the velocity is decreasing here, right? Na? So can I need to find the retardation. This is the question. Okay. So I will write the equations first. V is equals to u plus at, v square minus u square is equals to 2a, yes, s is equals to ut plus of at square. So if I take first equation, v is there, u is there, but a is not there, t also not there, two unknowns, right? When I talk about second equation, v is there, u is there, 2 is constant, leave out that, a I need to find, s is also given. So I can use the second equation. Before that, we will see what is third equation also. So s is given, u is given, t is not given, a is not given, t also again not given. So I can't use the first and third equation. I can use the second equation to find out the answer for this question. Okay. So what is the thing? V square minus u square is equals to 2a, yes. So V is 100 square minus 200 square divided equals to 2 into a into 0.1. 0.1. Okay. So this one, right now, like 10,000 will come, minus 40000, that's it. Divide by 2 into 0.1, which is equals to a, which is equals to a. So now how much I will get? 30,000, no? So 30,000 divided by 0.2, which is equals to a, right? Obviously, yeah. Now can I multiply 30,000 into 10 divided by 0.2 into 10, because why I am doing is I need to eliminate the points here, because if I eliminate the point, it will be easy to calculation, easy for the calculations. Okay, right? So 30000, one more 0, 5 zeros divided by 2 will be equals to a. So 1 times, and this is 15 times. So 15 into 10 power 4 meter per second square will be my acceleration, I mean retardation. So minus 15 into 10 power 4 will be my retardation. Because why minus? Minus because no, like it is reducing. So if I see here, I need to add minus here, na? Yes. So this is my answer. Okay, you can take a note of this. Done up to this. Okay, so this is the thing, last final answer. Done. Can we go for the next one? Okay. So the second question. Sorry. Fine. Let me read the question here. So car moving with a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So there is a car. Okay. So I am weak at drawing, like adjustment drawing. Okay. So moving with 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. Then what is the thing is given is, can be stopped by applying a brake after at least 6 meter. So it is moving with 50 kilometer per hour. No, after 6 meter, no, like they have applied a brake, which means v will be equals to 0. It has been came to rest. They are saying. So if the car moving with the speed of 100 kilometer per hour, the minimum stopping speed will be. So first thing, what they are saying is, it is moving with 50 kilometer per hour. It has been taken 6 meter to stop. Now same car going with 100 kilometer per hour, how much distance it will take to come to rest? Yes, I need to find. Okay. Yes. Yeah. A is constant here. Okay, A is constant. Easy, no? Can we find? Yes? Yeah. So I will take the same equations first of all. So V is equals to U plus A T. So I can't use this, T is there. Okay, I know it about T. So remaining two are there. So I can use third equation I can use. Again T will be there. Second equation I can use now. Yes, obviously. V square minus U square is equals to 2A. Yes. So in this, no, like A is constant, V is 0 only, like at last V will be 0. So can I say that S is directly proportional to U square? S is directly proportional to U square. So S1 by S2 will be equals to U1 by U2 the whole square, which is nothing but U1 is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. Okay, let me write here only. So S1 is given 6 divided by S2. This is 50 and this is 100, the whole square. So ones and this zeros will go 1 times and this is 2 times, right? So 6 by S2 will be equals to 1 by 4. So cross multiply it. So S2 will be equals to 6 into 4, which is nothing but 24 meter. So the object is going with 100 kilometer per hour. No, it will take 24 meter to come at rest. So V will be equals to 0 when it is going 24 meter. Okay. Right? Can we go for the next question? Okay. So next question is, let me read the question here. So the average velocity of a body moving with uniform acceleration, okay, uniform acceleration, traveling a displacement. So displacement has been given, S is equals to 3.06 meter, okay, 3.06 meter, 3.06 meter, then is, okay, is 0.34 meter per second, like displacement has been given and velocity has been given. Velocity is, how much it is? 0.34 meter per second. If change in velocity of a body is change in velocity of a body, okay, keep remember that. So delta V will be equals to, how much is 0.18 meter per second, 0.18 meter per second, 0.18 meter per second during this time. So during the same time, okay, its uniform acceleration will be, uniform acceleration will be. So first of all, what is the formula for uniform acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity by change in time, right? Now velocity has been given here, change in velocity, but what about time here? So time I need to find it, right? So displacement by time will be velocity. So velocity will be equals to displacement by time. What is displacement? That is, yeah, I can mention this d also, okay. So what is displacement? 3.06 divided by, what is okay, let me write like this, okay, I need to find time only, no? So time will be equals to displacement by velocity. So displacement is 3.06 divided by 0.34. Right? Now it's fine, no? So I can use this time in this place now, and we need to get the answer for acceleration. Okay? Can you give answer for this now? Only calculation is there. Do it first. Done? Okay. So what was the answer? Okay, 0.02. Oh, let me find. Okay. So I'll take this one. I need to eliminate the points first. So 3.06 into 10. Okay, 100 I'll take. Divide by 0.34 into 100. Like 100 by 100 I am taking. So what I will get? 306 divided by 34. So 34 tens is 340. So 340 minus 34 again 306 I will get na. So this is 1 times and this is 9 times. So 9 is my time, 9 seconds na. 9 seconds. Now acceleration I need to get it na. So what is the change in velocity here? 0.18 divided by 9, which is nothing but 0.02 meter per second square. Yes, your answer is correct. 0.02 meter per second square acceleration is the answer. Okay. Done? Can we go for the next one? Yes, we'll see some more questions. Okay, so next question. So the next question is, yeah, a body starts from rest. Body starts from rest. So u will be equals to 0. What is the ratio of the distance travelled by the body during the 4th and 3rd second? 4th second and 3rd second they are asking. So 4th second and 3rd second, what is the displacement happened? So initially body is at rest, going with constant acceleration only. Okay, then what is the thing they are asking is, so what, like displacement at 4th second and 3rd second. Okay, displacement at 4th second and 3rd second. So if I want to find displacement at a particular time period, not that time, so Sn will be equals to u plus 1 by 2 a 2n minus 1. This is the formula, right? So u 0, both are going with constant, I mean started with rest only. So acceleration is constant, 1 by 2 is constant, leave about that, fine. So S4 will be directly proportional to 2 into 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by, or if they are asking ratio, okay, if they are asking ratio I can use like that, or else S3 directly proportional to 2 into 3 minus 1. So what is the answer for this one? 8 minus 1, which is nothing but 7. So S4, like displacement at 4th second is 7 meter. Okay. Now S3 directly proportional to 6, 5. So answer is 5 meter. So S3 directly proportional to 5 meter. Look, answer is 5 meter for third second, 7 meter for fourth second. Okay. If they are asking ratio, 7 by 5 is the ratio. 7 by 5 is the ratio. Got it? Okay, we will see next question. We will see next question. Okay. So, the next question is, initially a body is at rest. Initially body is at rest. If its acceleration is 5 meter per second square, so initially body is at rest, u will be equals to 0, acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Then what is the thing is given is, then the distance travelled in 18th second, distance travelled in 18th second. So, Sn I need to find, which is nothing but S18 na, S18. Similar, no, similar kind of questions only, no, this also. So, what is the thing, formula, Sn is equals to u plus 1 by 2a into 2n minus 1. So, S18 initially body is at rest, 0 plus 1 by 2 into how much, 5, and this is 2 into 18 minus 1. So, this one 0, okay, 5 by 2 into 18, 2s are 36, 36 minus 1, 35, right, 35. So, how much will I get? So, 35, 5 na, so 5 by 25, 5 to remaining 17 na. So, 175 divided by 2. So, how much? So, this is 1 times and this is 8 and remaining 1, 15, 87.5. 87.5 is the answer. Right now? Yeah, yes, meter, 87.5 meter. Got it? Okay, can we go for the next question? Okay, so the next question is, yeah, so if a car at a rest accelerate uniformly to a speed of 144 kilometer per hour. So, initially there was a car at rest, u is equals to 0. It has been accelerated with uniform acceleration they have given, okay, uniform acceleration. So, velocity was 144 kilometer per hour they have given in 20 seconds, okay, in 20 seconds. So, it covers a distance of, so how much distance it will cover? So, how much distance it has been covered they are asking, okay. This is my question. So, what will be the answer for this? Can you find? Hmm? What is the answer? Yeah, you can use that equations only. V is equals to u plus at. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. S is equals to ut plus of at square. So initially at rest 0, then acceleration is constant, and here the proportional, no, here I can take V is directly proportional to S, but they have given the time also, I can use the time right now. So S is directly proportional to ut plus 1 by 2 at square, at square. So what is the thing, how can I find? Yeah, you can use. So first I will use this equation. V is equals to u plus a t. V is 144 kilometer per hour na, like meter per second I need to convert. So 144 into 5 by 18. 5 by 18. So this is 1 times, and this is 8. So let me take 9, and this is 72. 1, and this is 8. So will be 40, right? 40 meter per second. So 40 will be equals to 0 plus a into 20. So a will be equals to 2 meter per second square. This is my acceleration. Okay. Now take this acceleration and substitute here. Take the acceleration, you can substitute here. So I can find now S is equals to u is 0 and t plus 1 by 2 into 2, and time is 20 seconds. So 20 square, right? Right now. So what happens here? So this will get eliminated, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, 20 square no, so it is 400 meter. So S will be equals to 400 meter, that's it. Okay. Got it? Right. So now we will go for the topic that is in a plane, motion in a plane. Okay. So motion in a plane is nothing but motion in a plane. So for this we are discussing in two dimensional, x and y, or y and z, or z and x, either two axes we will consider. Okay. Till now we were discussing either it is going up or coming down, right now, throwing towards upside or coming downward or going front or going backward, right. Now in this case, now let me take the axis. So object has been thrown like this with velocity u. So if you are throwing the object like this, or if you are playing a cricket and you are hitting a shot like this, like a lofted shot, so obviously the ball will travel in a parabolic path, na? In a parabolic path it will travel. So it will go in this manner, no? So it will go in this manner. So obviously it will reach some distance in the x axis, again it will reach some maximum height in the y axis. So this is my height and this is my range, I will say, okay, how much range it has been travelled. So this is h max, y axis, and this is x axis. Okay. Now if you notice now, like the cricket, if you are watching in a TV or mobile, whatever it is, okay. So if some person like Hardik Pandya is hitting a 6 and they will show that the how much height it has been travelled, how much distance it has been covered, everything they will show, no. Or else if a person hitting a ball, it's going some height, again the person, the fielder is coming and catching the ball, okay, and they will mention that how much height it has been travelled and how much distance it has been travelled, right? No, the same thing only we are discussing here also, okay. So I need to find what is the range and I need to find what is the height. So can we use the vector components first of all to separate in x axis as well as y axis, okay. So let me take the diagram here. So this is my x axis, sorry, u, and this is my x axis and this is my y axis. So object has made some angle theta over here, okay. So the angle is there and the velocity velocity vector is there. If velocity vector is near to the angle, I mean near to the axis, okay. So this is my cos theta, away from the axis sin theta we will say. So ux will be equals to u cos theta and uy will be equals to u sin theta, right. So ux will be equals to u cos theta, uy will be equals to u sin theta. Now similarly, if I consider in this direction, that is acceleration by the gravity in x axis will be 0, acceleration due to y axis in the gravity will be g, but I am throwing opposite to the gravity excuse me it is minus g, right. No, now I can find the equations for this, right. So let me take the vertical components, vertical, like horizontal will complete it, horizontal, right, horizontal component. So similarly we will take the kinematic equation, V will be equals to u plus, so V equals to u plus at, then V square minus u square is equals to 2a s, s is equals to ut plus of at square. So what we are doing is we will take Vx, ux, ax, right, velocity, final velocity in x direction, initial velocity in x direction, displacement in x direction and time, okay, leave it as it is, how much time it has been taken we will calculate it, okay. So horizontal component, right, ux will be equals to u cos theta, ax will be equals to 0. Now first equation let me take, Vx will be equals to ux plus ax t. So what is Vx? I don't know, I need to find. Vx will be equals to, so ux is u cos theta plus ax is 0 and this is t, I can neglect it out this one. So Vx will be equals to u cos theta only. So whatever velocity we were thrown when the x component will be equal in the final also, okay, will be equal in the final also. Now second one, second equation is v square minus vx square minus ux square will be equals to 2ax, s is range, r I will take. So vx I don't know, vx square I will keep, minus ux is u cos theta the whole square will be equals to 2 into 0 into r. So I can neglect this one. So vx square will be equals to u cos theta the whole square So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So Vx will be equals to again u cos theta. We are getting the same equation, right? Right now. So one more thing is there. So you can take a note of this, and we can go for the next equation. That is the third equation. The range I can find. Done. Okay, you want to copy the second one also. First, we'll go for the third one. Yes, we will do the questions more on this, okay? Like what will be the range, what will be the maximum height, how much time it has been taken, everything we will calculate it, okay? Time is nothing but so like it will take to reach the maximum height some time. Again the same time only it will take to reach again the ground level, okay? That is time of flight, we will say time of flight. So three important things is there in this topic. One is maximum height, that is y axis. Then second one is range, that is x axis. Third one is time of flight, how much time it has been taken from this point to this point. Like the batsman is hitting the ball and the audience are catching the ball, okay? How much distance it has been taken, like how much height has been traveled, and how much time it has been taken, like the reaction time, right? Na? Okay, so now the third one, S is nothing but range. R is equals to ux t plus 1 by 2 ax t square. So what is R? I don't know, I need to find it. Ux is u cos theta into t plus 1 by 2 ax t square. So ax is 0, 0. So I can neglect out this one. So range is nothing but u cos theta into the time taken. Okay, I will keep as it is this one. I will keep as it is. Now can we find the vertical components? These are the horizontal components, we got it. Now the vertical component we will go. Okay. So vertical component. Uy will be equals to u sin theta, ay will be equals to minus g. First equation, v is equals to u plus, that is vy is equals to uy plus ay t, right? So what is vy? I don't know, I need to find. Uy is u sin theta minus gt, minus g into t. That is for the first one. Second one, v square, that is vy square minus uy square is equals to 2 into ay into h max. Okay, h max. See guys, remember now the first equation we got, but the thing is vy will be equals to 0 because it's reaching the maximum height, na? H max, vy will become 0 here, right? So can I get the answer from here? So 0 will be equals to u sin theta will be minus gt, whereas t will be equals to u sin theta by g. This is my time taken to reach the maximum height. Again the same time will take to reach the ground level, right? No? Yes. This is 0 square minus u sin theta the whole square will be equals to 2 into minus g into h max. So minus u square sin square theta by minus 2g will be equals to h maximum. H maximum is nothing but how much height has been taken to reach maximum. So minus minus will get cancelled. So answer will be u square sin square theta by 2g is the maximum height, right. So this is the height. I will write here time taken to reach maximum height, but the time taken to reach this point to this point is nothing but time of flight, which is nothing but t plus t. No, this is t, again this is t. So 2u sin theta by g. So now this time I will take and substitute in the horizontal equation range. Okay, horizontal equation range. What was the horizontal equation range? This is third one separately I will write. Okay, horizontal third equation, r is equals to u cos theta into t. So what is t here? 2u sin theta by g. So r will be equals to u cos theta into 2u sin theta by g. So 2u sin theta cos theta by g, which is nothing but u sin 2 theta by g is nothing but range. That's it. We got range value, maximum height value, time of flight value, how much time it has been taken to reach the maximum height also we got it, right. Last one, h max is equals to u by t plus half into a by t square, right. That's it, na? Yes. So h max is equals to u sin theta into t minus 1 by 2 g t square. Okay. So up to this you can take a note of this, no. We will see in the upcoming session what is the equation of the trajectory also. Okay, equation of trajectory. So with this we will stop the class today. Okay, thank you guys, we will meet in the next class.